So we are in Google Classroom again, and we are going to discuss about an interesting topic today: how you can save your most commonly used comments in a bank and then use them whenever you have to reply back to your students. So many a times you must have faced a situation when you have to reply back to all of your students, or maybe most of your students, and let them know you have done a good job, or maybe you need to improve your multiplication. This is where you can find this particular material. So those kind of comments which are commonly used, store it in a place and then use them whenever you want to do. It's just like a bank, and its name is Comments Bank, which Google gives us for its classroom. So I'll show you how to add, how to delete, and then also search for a specific keyword in case you need to know that. And also, for those of you who do not know yet how to go to review, I'll show you two ways in which you can go ahead and do the reviews. So this is Sonit from Techie Trickle. So I am inside my Google Classroom, and this is the class that I had created. Now all the classes will be lined up here one after the another. So in case you are teaching multiple classes, then there will be different other classes as well here. Now in case this is not sounding familiar, or if you do not know how to log into Google Classroom, there's no need to worry, because I already have those covered in other videos. So those will be popping up on the screen. So make sure that you watch those and then come back here and watch this video after that. So here I have the class, and now if I want to quickly review, so there are two ways you can actually go ahead and do that. So the first that you can already see here is the review here. The other that is there is lined up under the main menu. So if I click the main menu, you will see the to review here. So both the ways you can go ahead and you can land up on the same screen. So let me click on to review, and then it will come up where you will have all your assignments that you had given to the students. So I have one sample here, so that is already turned in. So my goal will always be to make sure that this is 0, because it means that I have not yet reviewed it and I need to go ahead and review. Now the question is then, how do you review? So this is simple. So you have these 3 dots here. You can mark it as reviewed, and if you mark it as reviewed, it goes off and it doesn't show up here. What I do next is I click on this task. Okay, so let me click on English reading, and it takes me inside the student work, and this is the work that the student had submitted, right? So when I click this, so this is what the student had submitted, and I have everything on my right hand side. So when you give a comment here, so if I write here like, I don't know, maybe something like, please do not make such mistakes as it might affect your grades. Okay, so if I choose to write a comment here and if I post this here, so what happens is only this particular student can view this. So all your other students cannot view it, and that is why Google has named it as a private comment. So the next thing is, how do I see my comment bank? So well, that is pretty simple. So you see one icon here. So if you click that, it is the comment bank. Now here you can see I already have 3 comments added here. So these are pre-added, so you can already have them added like I did. Okay, and then what you can do is, if you want to search any comments here, so you just have to see this particular magnifying glass. So if you click that and say, for example, I want to search multiplication, right? So I give multi, and then you can see these are the 2 comments that are popping up, which actually I should be reviewing, and then I can select the one that I would want. Okay, so I close that and then I come back here. Now on these comments, so what you can do is you can directly copy from here, copy to clipboard, and then you can go back to the students comments. So the way you do it is you again click the grading here, and then you come back to that original position, and then if you do a Control V, you can see that comment is actually pasting here, and then if you click on post, it does post. So I will not do that right now, so I'll click on cancel and I'll go back to my comment bank where I was. Now, so if I go and click the three dots, I will find the other two options, that is to edit or to delete this comment. So if I click on edit, then this window pops up, and now you can go ahead and do the edit here. So maybe I put the comment as improve on 2 digits by 2 digits multiplication. Okay, and then if I click save, this will get edited, and now you will see that this has been posted. Okay, so that is how you can go ahead and edit any pre-existing comments. Now, the next thing that you have, as I said, is delete. So that is pretty much simple. So on these three dots, if you click on delete, that comment will go ahead and delete. So I will not delete anything, but you can, well, go ahead and delete any comment that you want to do so. So now, how do you add the comments to the bank? So you see here right on top here. So if you click this, it opens up the window, and now you can give whatever things you want to add. So I give, say, 3 comments here, like 2 by 2 multiplication, and then improve your tens and ones, and maybe improve your carry concept. And then if I click add, it gets added. Now note a comment that comes up here. It says that add multiple comments by starting a new line. So basically, if I click on add, just see what actually happens. So you actually get those 3 comments added individually. So it's not that in one comment it all gets added up. So you can prepare a text file. So I did actually create in the notepad. I copied it and then I pasted it on that, and then you can see one by one all the things get added. So you don't need to click on this add to bank one by one and start adding those. So that is one of the quick tips that I thought I might be sharing with you, and it might really help you in getting these comments added to the bank quicker. Now let me go back to the grading, and once I am here, if I scroll up, you will find one small window here. So if you click this, what happens is this entire information about the student actually opens up, where you can do the editing in this particular document. Okay, so let me click this. This window pops up and it opens up. So you find here, if you move the mouse here somewhere on the edge of this document, you will find 2 icons that pop up. So this one is where you suggest the edits. So who actually suggests this edit? So it is basically myself. It actually picks up that, and here is the place where you can add a comment. So if I click this, it says that Techie Trickle actually wants to add a comment. So I might say here, like, this is not the way to start a sentence. Okay, and then what I can do is, if you want to loop in somebody else, okay, so the way you do it is you give the @ sign, and then you can give that particular person's name here and assign to you. If you want, you can click that, or else if you put on post on comment, it actually gets posted. So I put comment, and here you go, that it gets the comments added here, and it also goes to the techietrickle@gmail.com. So suppose if that's the other user you wanted him to actually get notified, he actually gets that information. Now on these 3 dots, again you get the edits and the deletes, and then if you want to link this to any comment, you can also go ahead and do that. So you can copy this link and then you can share it with whoever you actually want to share with. So comment below and let me know how you have been using for responding back to your students during your reviews.
So did you use private mode of comments or you used the comment bank? So if you have reached till this point, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also press the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload a new video. There are 2 videos popping up on your screen. Make sure that you watch those. Till the next time, bye bye.